Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Excuse me. Today I have a In the Post series and this is In the Post number 37. I start off with 3 50p coins. They're all the same. I'm just showing Charles III's portrait in there, and this is the one that I've got 3 of. I've got one that will go into the blue card file. I'll have one I'll take out of this package and add to my date run, and the third one is up for grabs later on. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I've always said that I don't like this particular commemorative coin, and I felt it could have been a lot better designed. I haven't changed my mind, but as a completionist I had to get this coin for the for my collections. Allied to that, because I got those coins, I got 2 blue cards. I've got Dictionary and Jeremy Fisher. I've got to the point now where I'm not sure whether they've run out of the gold edge cards, celebrating the 10 years of Change Checker. In the last 3 of the last 4 that I've received these blue cards, so they're either running short or they've run out. I'm not sure which it is at the moment, so those will go into my swap pile for people who need them. Right, now I've always said all the way along that I have militaria is one of the things I talk about on this channel, and I'll be doing a video on this. These are 3 what they call sweetheart cards, or occasionally they call them the World War I Christmas cards, basically. Now, to go alongside these World War I Christmas cards, one of the things they used to do a lot of in the trenches, and to pass the time when they weren't going on their merry way, is they used to make good luck charms for themselves, and this is one of the ones that they made up. So if I can just get that down a little bit more, it might become a bit more obvious. It is a cutout, and on this side you have George V. The date of this coin is 1911, and it's got a drill hole at the top here. The reason for that was this was a lucky amulet. It's a bit like the old horseshoe and all the rest of it, and that's what that's for. I will be going into it in greater depth and talking about it in greater depth as we get when I do that video. Right, other things that we have, let me just come up and come out a bit. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought a couple of lots that were in-house clearances, and there's one very big bag. Is this one, in fact, and it was so stuffed that it was sort of as full as it could possibly be, and just taped over at the top. In that, and with one other lot, I think there's something like about 120 odd coins, and I'd split it to 120, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 120. So I split it into 6 hunts of 20 coins in each one, and they will become world coin hunts from sort of 81 to 80 to 85. So that's another one, another 6 coin hunts that I will have to do research on and then bring it back to finish it off. So here we have just a single coin. Oops. And that single coin is an Isle of Man coin. It's a penny and it shows the war memorial, which could go, I suppose, with this lot in here, the First World War stuff. It's an Isle of Man coin, and I do have date runs of the Isle of Man that I'm currently getting sorted out, and that was to add to that date run. The final one of this particular lot is a coin that I didn't even know existed, to be honest. I've done a lot with German Knockgeld, and Knockgeld, they've all normally been notes. And I was watching Laughter's channel, and he said there was Knockgeld coins. So I did a search on eBay, and sure enough, there's a lot of Knockgeld coins. I think I paid around about £8 for this, maybe a little bit less with postage and packing. So it's a big coin. It's 10,000 Reichsmarks, and it has a prancing horse on the back. I will be going into this coin and what it was meant and why it was printed. You see, with Knockgeld, and particularly with the notes, they were only available for a short period of time, which is why I didn't think that they did coins, because the coins, the amount of time it took to actually make these coins, and then say 3 months later they're out of date. You can't do that with coins, not of that sort of size anyway. So I'm going to do some research and find out why, when other coins, when other notes and such like were being destroyed after 3 months, or had to be traded in after 3 months, why do they produce the coins? Because I don't know, and it's something that is interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring those three in and give you a last look at them, because they are lovely cards in their own right. So that ends this in the post. If you've enjoyed it, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you're one of the people who have not yet subscribed to the channel, if you believe I deserve it, I would love your subscription. I am trying to get to 250 by the end of this year, and quite frankly I need your help to be able to do it. So if you believe I deserve your subscription, please would you also subscribe. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for viewing all the way through to the end of the video. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope won't be too much further into the future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.